The second product on this list is the TRUDEAU Toss and Chop. This next unit is an innovative scissor with sharp stainless steel teeth and micro-serrated edges for shredding and chopping fruits and veggies. Whether for cutting a small quantity of fruit and veggies for your family or preparing a meal for a large gathering, this unit will come in handy as it is efficient, functional, and convenient to use. The handles have a soft grip that feels comfortable on your hand no matter how long or what you use it for. Plus, you can lock them in place when not in use and store them conveniently in your kitchen cabinet or elsewhere. The compactness of this product makes it a worthy companion for camping trips or use in your RV or other outdoor settings. We particularly like the plastic design on the bottom part of this project because it prevents the sharp blades from scratching your surfaces as you cut and chop veggies. Also, because you can cut directly into a bowl, there'll be no shreds or pieces of chopped and cut veggies on the floor or your kitchen countertop. Lastly, this package comes with a free recipe book that will encourage you to prepare and eat healthy meals. Its pros are: the soft grip handles lock shut for safe storage, the unique design is convenient and prevents your bowls from getting scratched, and its scissor-like design is very easy to use effectively. However, you have to periodically clear the blades of stuck food while chopping. The TRUDEAU Toss and Chop is recommended for anyone looking for a convenient and compact unit to help them make a salad with less effort. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.